Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To change keyboard language, go to Settings, then in Settings, go to System, then Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and now go to your Gboard, click on it, Languages, and Add Keyboard. Now you can select a language of which you want to add the keyboard. For example, Chinese Simplified. And you can choose a layout if the keyboard has multiple layouts. I'm gonna choose the pinyin. Okay. You can also adjust the different settings. Done. And you can rearrange them in a certain order. And now to switch between them, click here on your keyboard. And now you've switched. You can type like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.